Hello, today I'm gonna sew a sheath for my bag. I'll use the wet forming method. We need something like a frame from a plywood. I put the knife and outline it. Next, leave some space and mark. I drill a hole for the saw cut. Saw. Okay, fits well. I need to make a bevel where the frame will be in contact with the leather. Also, make hole smooth inside. I take vegetable tanned leather. This way is uneconomical. If you are greedy, you should stop right here. We need a piece big enough to cover the knife, with some space left to staple. Now I sink the leather in warm water. I wrap my knife in plastic wrap to avoid getting wet. I wet and crumple the leather. Wet and crumple. If you want the front of the sheath to be firm, you should put some PVA glue in the water. I put the knife on the wooden plate, cover it by leather, check twice before processing. I staple the leather down while pulling the edges. Cover with the frame and clamp. I let it dry about a day. The part of the leather which was covered by the frame is still wet. I use a head fan to speed up drying process. It's ready. Now I'm going to mark. I use a divider. I make marks more visible with washable pen. Cut. Now I need to make the end straight and smooth. I make a groove for the seam. Looks like this device doesn't cut. I took another one to achieve a better result. Now I'm making the back part. For this purpose I put the front part on top of the laser piece and outline it. I use the regular pen since these lines would be hidden. I cut and grind this part, like the front one. We need to make a belt loop. Mark. Cut. Make grooves for seams and bevels where needed. Now I punch sewn holes by 4-prong stitching chisel with 5 mm prong spacing. I use 2-prong punch tool at curves. Now I need to make holes in the back part. I mark the first hole placement by awl. Make holes from the face side, same as it was for the front part. Make holes in belt loop either. All parts are ready for dyeing. I'm going to use Fiebing's golden brown oil dye. As soon as it dries, it will become lighter, yet it will turn darker after applying finish. Here you are. Let it dry. Now I am going to sew. Clamp parts and stitch in pony. I wrap my fingers in masking tape to avoid tearing. I sew using 2 needles. Do not forget about the belt loop. One side of the belt loop is sewn down. The seam is ready. I cut the thread and close it. Put a drop of acrylate glue. We need to process the end. I grind it. Then dye with brown oil paint, because I have clear edge cut. Let it dry. Apply edge cut. Polish. If you are not satisfied with the result, repeat. I apply finish. It's carnauba wax based. Clean and let it dry. Polish. Here you are. I like it when wearing a sheath doesn't bother you. It's all for today. See you soon.